12 seconds to shoot. Pins taking 3. No good, rebound by J-Mark. Pin led the short number, no good. Rebounding. Ang aba, block by Jackie. Pero may kasamang kamay. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds.
Ayun.
5 minutes and 35 seconds. Running time yan, ilabas mo na. 10 seconds to shoot. Aljan. Aljan, spin move, Aljan. Aljan pa rin. 5 seconds to shoot. Doggy. 2, 1. Good ball. 10, 2 points. 10 to 1 on 9-4. Last possession before change. Last possession.
Ano?
Ivan. Crossover move. Ivan. Ivan na naman. Change board na po. 2 points. Ivan Magdoy. 11-4.
Ang lupit mo, Terdi Rabena.
4 minutes and 58 seconds.
Cool ka. Tira yan, pre. Pero lalaki mo sa mga bro. Ay, natitira.
Pass to Aljon David Green. Now you rebound Nico. Rebound by Prince. Prince. Pass to Mel. 10 seconds to shoot. Mel. Lumipad. 2 points. Mel Turbide. 11-6. Now you rebound by J-Mark. J-Mark. Namamadali. J-Mark. Pass to Prince. Thinking Green na naman. Green. Prince. Ito. Hatapak 2 points. Katapay. 11-8. Tapak rin, 2 points. Jeru Musera. 4 minutes and 9 seconds.
Pre, tapak din yan. Lapang.
Crossover mo by Pineda. Pineda, pass to Aljon. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal again by Aljon. Aljon, steal na naman. Ida steal. Grabe ka. Pass to Sir Jeru. Not good. Rebound by Mel. 13-8 lamang ang team Jackie. Crossover mo na naman by may ball content na po yun ha. Prince. Not good. Rebound by Jackie. Jackie pa rin. Pass to Ivan.
Hinahatak yung bewang ah.
Ivan. Pass to Jeru. To back to Ivan. 10 seconds to shoot. Block by Prince. 6 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 2, 1. Good ball. Good ball.
Nung araw na yun, pasok yun.
13-8 in favor of Team Chucky. Next game, Team Ellie versus Team Sean 2.0. Steal by. And then, nakuha pa rin. Good pa rin. Hindi po may email. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Aljon. 8 seconds to shoot. Good. Hindi po pa. Prince sa ilalim. Prince. Good ball. Pass to Justin. Justin, buti pa mawala. Out of bounds. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 13-8 in favor of Team Jackie. 2 minutes and 15. Out of bounds. Good ball. 13-8. 13-8 in favor of Team Jackie. Good ball. To Prince. Pass to Miel. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
Tira dyan, kaya
5 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. Good ball. 1 minute 40. Steal by Miel. To JL. JL naman padali JL. JL out of bounds. Ball goes to stays with Team J-Mark. 1 minute and 22 seconds left. Last on long, good ball. Pass to J-Mark, 10 seconds to J-Mark. No good, 3-5, Prince, pero nakuha ni Jerome. 1 minute and 5 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. Chakli pass to Ivan, back to Chakli, looper shot, no good, 3-5, Jeru. Jeru taking 3, Jeru Mosera, 16-8. 49 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. Aljon lumipad. No good. 3-5. Out of bounds. 35 seconds left. Good ball.
Camera ang tama.
Foul. Good ball.
Putang ina mo.
Jen, lumipad. Jen. Prince ang haba niya. 2 points. Prince, katapay. 20 seconds left. Shot clock off. 16-10. 15 seconds to shoot. Dribble na naman. 3. Jeru Mosera. 7 seconds left. Bawawi ng 3. No good. 3-5 Jeru. 1.